Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a wall command and wall on edge. Okay, guys, previous lecture is discussed here and some important is remaining. Then wall and wall on edge. Okay, wall on edge some advanced level and some important point is remaining. Then use a second lecture is very important, and second lecture video is very important because this lecture is a part of a previous lecture. Okay, at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is a and any draw a any. Okay, this is a center rectangle drawing here. Okay, and mention any dimension is a any dimension. Okay, 150 and 100. Exit. Okay, and this is a sit metal parameters. Okay, sit metal parameters is a default value is setting here. Thickness is 2 mm and default bend radius is 4 mm. Okay, now okay, click here and now and click a wall. Okay, this is a correct, and okay, this is a extreme at a sketch at extreme position. Click okay, and this body is okay, this is a perfect, and wall on edge. Click here, and guys, okay, and this edge is click here. Okay, and this edge also click here. Okay, click okay. Okay, and guys, this is a very important. This command is a okay, at first double click here, and this is a very important, and height is a decrease, and this left point, and this extremities, and this right extremities is some important point is a discuss here. Okay, this is a note. Okay, this body is a okay, this body is not click. Okay, this body is delete here. Okay, deleting. Okay, again click one side. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and some is this height is decrease, and this left extremity and some right extremity is okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and guys, this is a perfect, but the reverse direction, and this is a direction. Okay, and guys, some important point is discussed here. This is a very important, guys. This okay, at first okay, this rounded relief, this relief is showing here, and some sit metal parameters use a bend extremities. Okay, this is a perfect. This extremity is not showing here, but minimum with no relief, but I square, use a square. Okay, this is a correct square, and length is a this is a extremities, this is a relief is showing here, and this length is a length 2, and this is a length 1. Okay, this is a correct, and at first a square relief is discussed here, and height is increase and decrease. Okay, at first click here. Okay, and this body is click here. Okay, this is a and click. Okay, this is a relief is created here. Okay, and again, okay, height is increase and decrease. This is a length is a increase and this is a increase also. Then okay, then click this. Okay, and okay, this is a correct. Preview is showing here, this is a correct. Okay, and this is a very important point is discussed here, and this relief is created here easily, you can see here, and we will learn here is very important relief generated, relief created here, and again a square. Okay, bend extremities, and this is a square relief, and a round relief is also okay, this is a correct, and double click here, this is a round relief. Okay, this is a perfect point. Okay, this is a round relief, and size in increase and decrease. Okay, this is a this relief is discussed here, and okay, this is a size. Okay, this and bend extremities is increase. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a 10. Okay, 8. Okay, this is okay, and double click here, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, round relief is generated here, and this is a very important point. Okay, and one again. Okay, this is a correct point, and again this point is discussed here a automatic point, but this point is a sketch base. Okay, click here and click here this sketch base. Okay, this is a right click and sketch, and a sketch base is click here, and this profile is created here, and no selection at first. Sketch is created, then right click and create a sketch is click here, and okay, this face is select here. Okay, this is a this face. Okay, and okay, any okay, any profile is created here. Okay, at first 3D 3D project 3D element and click this line. Okay, this is a correct. And profile is this body, and okay, this is a correct, and this is a okay, this and this. Okay, this. Okay, and click here. Okay, and okay, this is this trim is used. Okay, this trim is used, and extra body is delete here, extra part is delete here. Okay, this is a correct, and okay guys, exit, and wall on S with bend is click here, and this profile is okay, this is a and this is a delete here. Okay, this is a correct. Guys, very important, this profile is created here, and this body is a this body shape and size is same. Automatic is discussed here, automatic is created here. Okay, exit, this is a perfect, and this profile is created here. Okay, this is a sketch is, and okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, this is a body is not click here. Guys, try again drawing here. Okay, wall on S. Okay, a sketch base. Okay, automatic is also discussed here, a sketch base is try again Okay, at first this sketch is select here. Okay, and profile is drawing here. Okay, click here and draw a create a sketch. Okay, and this face is select here, this face is select here, and okay, and at first project 3D element is click and this line is click here. Okay, and any profile is draw here. Okay, any profile is draw here. Okay, this profile is a this, and okay, this is a correct, and this is a perfect. Okay, this and okay. Okay, and double click here, trim, and this portion and this line and this line is a trim here, and okay, this is a correct. And guys, okay, profile is drawing here easily, and guys, this is exit, then this body and this body is same here. Okay, drawing a same, all is a this relief is also drawing here same. Okay, exit. Okay, this is a preview is showing here, this wall on edge all is same to same, this side is drawing here. Okay, preview is showing here, this is a okay. Okay, this body is a click here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this relief and this relief is equal, and this all is a perfect, because all is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and material is select here. Okay, this is a okay, material is select here, this body is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this is a okay, this is a nice. Okay, all a stone is discuss here. Okay, this is a perfect, this look a perfect. Okay, okay guys, okay, this is a perfect look, and perfect look isometric. Okay, this is a isometric, and zoom in, zoom out. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay guys, next lecture is coming soon, and guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Okay, and okay guys, next lecture is coming soon, and guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.